What's going on, YouTube? Crypto Rich, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be going over XAU USD and what my weekly bias is for it, where I see gold going for the week, and we're going to be performing a top-down analysis along with looking from an institutional order flow perspective, what is going on with gold. Okay, so let's get right into it. So starting off on a monthly, immediately what I notice is this strong push to the upside. We had a nice correction, and it looks like gold is starting to pick up momentum. So I'm going to take my Fibonacci from my swing low to my swing high, and I noticed that price rejected the 61.8 and then multiple times rejected the 50%, which also has some confluence with price action back in June of 2012. So this is technically a historical level. So really, I'll be looking at this push to the upside and then the retracement on a weekly time frame to kind of see on a clearer picture of things what's going on. So let's take this down to a weekly. All right. So what I noticed on a weekly is a downward structure being broken. We got to break a structure right here. Now, although this retracement or this correction hasn't retested this trend line, I do notice a strong level of support right in this area. That also has confluence with a previous area where price action rejected back in May of 2020, and we had some rejection here March of 2021, support in April. Now we had support in June, and ever since we've been to the upside. So just looking at the weekly, I'm still bullish. So right now, as far as monthly and weekly, I have a bullish perspective on gold. So taking it down to the daily, what do we have going on here? So I know from this push to the upside, there are a few candles outside of the move, but specifically within this range from right here to right here, I noticed there's one candle that could possibly be a structure candle, or basically where there was a significant of money going in or out of the market. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to mark that off, this area, just for my own sake. What I also notice is this M formation or double top. And typically with these formations, price usually comes back to the neckline before rejecting and going back to the downside or breaking it and retesting to continue to the upside. So initially, this may be an area or a target of interest that I'll be looking to long to for this week. And what I'm actually going to do is set this to a stronger number, institutional number. All right. So all I see here is just this level right here being in the way. So I know that I'll feel more confident once we pass this, area. And overall, I do think regardless, price will come back to this neckline. That's just my opinion. But we're going to take it down to the 4 hour. And what I'm going to do is explain pretty much what I'm going to be looking at. So we have this area right here that might be, some traffic for gold to make its way to the upside. And I'm pretty sure at some point this week we'll have some strong liquidity grabs. Now, if we're going to be going bullish, who knows? It could be, this area right here where gold could possibly, break this level and make its way to the upside. It could be a variety of different situations. That's why we have to be responsive and, not just trade what we necessarily think. I do notice one more level around this area that I will look to possibly find some buys depending on the price action. But overall, guys, even on a 4 hour, if I bring up my environmental indicators, as far as my MACD and my EMAs, we're still in a bullish environment. So if anything, any people looking at this right now, as far as a swing trade, you can be looking possibly for, these highs to be violated, or maybe even this previous high right here to be violated, and looking for a retest to then, buy in and try to find a good 1 to 3. That's honestly, what I would look for as far as a trade for gold this week. And I'll be trading the New York session, so we'll see how that goes. Now, as far as a institutional order flow perspective, it's looking like gold is going to be pretty bullish for the week of July 6th. We have 182,000 net positions. Now that's almost 20,000 more net positions from the week prior, and as you can see, there was 16,000 longs open and 4,000 shorts closed. So we could definitely be expecting some kind of bullish move this week with gold, and definitely keep an eye out for some good setups. And that's pretty much it, guys. If you have any questions or thoughts, feedback, leave it in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, support your boy, and I'll catch y'all in the next video.